pack with me. I'm going to my probinsya or where my mom growed up.
Diyan mo na lang pala ito ilagay, anak ko. Pagkain.
Eh,
Yan yun.
huwag na.
Sige na kasi para lagay ng tabo ba yan?
Oh, yes.
Hmm.
So first is my wallet. I have this bag. First is my wallet. I'm going to only pants by the way. Then, no, I kind of want to bring like a
Malapit lang pala yun.
Saan?
Dito lang oh.
O, di, ipadaanan na lang kay tatay.
Between
I'm gonna
lang po
put
ng
my
Vicente Cruz at
iPad.
Kila Puente. Yan po yung
mine-
address namin. Mag-park lang po kayo along Pajardo sa tapat po ng
Oh,
ECA. Shop
My
or
iPad is there. I'm
Andox.
gonna pack that later.
Oy, paano?
Yeah.
Sa andok, saan binibila mo ng andok?
Maybe.
Ay, doon.
I'm gonna wanna bring my
Sige
slime.
po, punta na po ako doon.
Okay, I'm all ready now.
Ayun lang. Punta na ako. Mag-e-bike lang ako. Tayo si tatay.
Bye guys. That's
Bigay mo yun sa
basically.
Aliyah.
But I was gonna pack my iPads, but since we're still recording, I cannot bring it.
Yung? Yung?
So yeah.
Kunin mo yung bag ng laptop.
Oh wait. These are my stuffies.
Yung ball.
Stuffies. Actually, yeah, that's all, guys. I don't want to share some day. So, anyways, bye.